Hey, welcome guys, Ekansh here. By this time you might have already heard about the rumor of Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, or maybe watched that probably leaked video which gives you the glimpse of what the final product will be. And this is still 2 months gap when Google actually released that product and you will get your hands on it. But in this video we are going to do the first impression and the official unboxing of the last year 2017 Pixel 2 XL. Yes, I'm calling it a 2017 Pixel 2 XL because 2018 Pixel 3 or 3 XL is already in the works and it's not much time left for Google to release that product. And Google, seriously, what's up with that notch? Don't be like, if you can't beat them, just copy them. But we are here to talk about the mighty 2017 Pixel 2 XL. This is the Panda version of Pixel 2 XL. You can see the different color, black and white. On the left side, you can see the full right side of the phone, which has a power button with an accent color and a branding of Team Pixel on the back. It comes with another color, which is pure black, and the smaller version of this phone, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 2, comes in 3 different colors. One is black, white and kind of blue. Looking at the content in the box, it is a pretty unremarkable site which has all the usual essentials and noteworthy accessories to the Pixel 2 XL. The first one is a small adapter which gives you the access to your old device to transfer the data into your Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. The other one is Type-C to USB-C dongle, which gives you a constant reminder that your Pixel 2 or Pixel 2 XL lacks a headphone jacks. Now, many of you hate this omission, and I seriously respect the sentiments because I also need to carry that dongle always to listen to the music from my favorite headphones. This Pixel 2 XL is a 6-inch device with 18:9 aspect ratio, similar to the other devices released in 2017. In many ways, this is the Google's best phone yet, with its impressive and stellar design from screen toe to toe, matching with the fierce competition. The real kicker are its cameras. It outperforms most, not all, smartphones which released on the same year in 2017 before it. And this is the first Google phone which supports always on display, which gives you the important information on your screen without unlocking the phone, and a smart technology which we can say always on music recognition. It will listen to the beat, to the music around it, and gives you the song name on the screen. The Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL share the same core specs, which is Snapdragon 835, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage and 128 gigs of storage. But they do differ slightly in the battery capacity. The smaller version has 2700 mAh and the bigger version, this Pixel 2 XL, has 3500 mAh battery. Despite losing a cherished 3.5mm jack from the phone, Pixel 2 XL spades out a mix of unique and sought out features like stellar design, active edge, always on display, always on recognition music, and truly impressive camera. And all these comes with a flagship price of £799 in UK for the base version, which is 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of hard storage, and £899 for the bigger version, which is 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. This is just an unboxing to show you guys what comes with the box and to make you aware before you buy this product. Because when I first bought this Pixel 2 XL, I didn't know that it didn't come with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, so I had to buy a new cable. The link will be in the description, the cable I bought from Amazon. And this is just an unboxing video, and the full video and the full review will be coming out in next couple of weeks. So if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do so and do click the bell icon so that you will be notified when the new video arrives. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next one. And now it's time for me to play with my Pixel 2 XL. Bye bye.